Here in Indiana, as we get ready for the public to be vaccinated, a major push is underway to make sure it is being distributed equally and those who need it most have access to it. Several organizations teamed up with the ACLU of Indiana to send a letter to Governor Holcomb calling for equitable distribution. WRTV's Megan Santorum has more.
This is the letter to Governor Holcomb, signed by the ACLU of Indiana and several community organizations. It calls for transparency and equity with the public vaccination plan.
One that does not discriminate based on who people are.
We've reported in the past on how certain communities have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19. According to the ACLU, the infection rate in prisons is 83% higher than the state's infection rate as a whole. Those in congregate care facilities and minority populations also disproportionately impacted.
And that comes not only because their health situation, they tend to have higher comorbidities. People with who in the minority communities have jobs, which expose them more to the virus.
Something Tony Mason with the Indianapolis Urban League has seen firsthand.
Every day we get to see the impacts of the fallout from the COVID-19 pandemic. The families and the community that we serve that struggled well before the pandemic, but the disparities have worsened what we see.
He signed on to the letter as well, saying groups like his are ready and willing to help educate at-risk communities and help distribute the vaccine.
We hosted COVID testing here as a part of our drive-through weekly food distributions. We've also done flu shots here, and so we're willing to play our part as a community partner to make it available.
Right now, under Governor Holcomb's plan, Phase 1A includes healthcare workers. Next up, under 1B, is vulnerable populations. However, the specifics have yet to be released. The ACLU hoping to learn more about that soon.
Transparency would give all of us faith that this vaccine is being distributed in a fair and equitable way.
Working for you, Megan Santorum, WRTV.
The Urban League of Indianapolis says that it hopes to start working with health leaders in January to come up with a plan for vaccine clinics and education.